Are you looking for a way to earn $100 every single day from art, even if you have zero skills? Stick around because I'm going to show you simple methods anyone in the USA can start today. No painting, no drawing, no fancy degree required. Just smart use of free tools and platforms. First, let's talk about print-on-demand websites like Redbubble, Teespring, and Zazzle. These platforms let you upload simple designs, even text-based quotes, or basic shapes, and they will print them on t-shirts, mugs, and posters. You don't need to be an artist. Free tools like Canva or even AI art generators can help you create designs in minutes. Every time someone buys, you earn a commission. With just 5 to 10 uploads daily, you can start seeing consistent sales. Next, explore stock image and clip art sites. Websites like Creative Fabrica or Shutterstock allow you to upload digital patterns, textures, or abstract art. People use these for projects, and you get paid per download. Again, no skill needed. You can generate simple geometric patterns or motivational word art using free online tools. Finally, leverage Etsy digital downloads. Create printable wall art, planners, or coloring pages. These don't require advanced design skills, just creativity with templates. Once uploaded, they sell over and over again without extra effort. Imagine waking up to $100 in sales while you sleep.